This class is so boring. I do not like this.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Please be seated.
I do not get this. Maybe it is easy? Not for me.
This exercise is very hard. I do not understand.
Who wants to come to the board? Ethan, come here.
Me?
Show me your answer. I do not remember. You must try harder. This is not right. Please listen more carefully.
He is really bad at this.
I feel so bad.
I still do not understand. I want to ask for help, but I feel scared.
Ethan, please stand up again.
Yes, teacher.
Why are you not paying attention?
I am trying to listen, but I still feel confused.
You need to do it step by step like this. That is correct. Very good job.
That question was really easy. I feel so embarrassed right now.
Can you please help me?
I am sorry. I need to finish my work first.
I am lost. I want to speak, but I am too scared.
This is empty. Why is there nothing? Did you write anything? Are you even trying?
I try. I just need more time.
Excuses won't help you. Enough. No excuses. You will stay after class and redo everything. But I can't! I will call your parents. They need to know this. Please, no. I will try again. Ethan, this is serious. Go back to your seat.
I am in trouble. Big trouble. Everyone is leaving now. I have to stay here alone.
Sit down and relax a little. Can you look at me when we talk?
Tell me honestly, do you not understand or are you not listening?
I really do not understand.
So you are not lazy, you just do not understand.
Yes, that is true.
Then why did you not ask me for help?
I was afraid you would be angry.
Oh, Ethan, I could never be angry with you for asking for help. Many students feel the same way. It is okay to ask when you are confused.
Let me explain this again. We will go step by step together. See, you follow this line right here.
Oh, I get it now. That makes sense. I am really sorry, teacher. Next time I will ask when I do not understand.
I appreciate your honesty, Ethan. That's the right attitude.
Hey, Ethan, you are early today. Yes, I want to review the lesson first.
This part is easier now. I can understand it better. I do not understand this part. Can you explain this again, please?
Of course, Ethan. I'm glad you asked. Let's review it together. Yes, Ethan. Of course, that is a good question.
Thank you.
Now, who wants to try?
I do. Teacher, choose me.
I remember this step. First we do this, then we change this.
I think this is my answer. This is correct. Very good. Wow, he did it. I understand it now.
I am proud of you, Ethan. You asked and you improved.
Thank you, Miss Lee.
Thank you for helping me yesterday. I feel more confident now. I'm so glad to hear that, Ethan. I couldn't have done it without you. You did the hard work.
It is okay to not understand, but I will ask and learn.